Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are in Sorella, a brand new community here in Tomball, right off 2920. Now behind me, I have an MI home with a ranch style elevation. Now it's gonna be a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, offering 3,600 square feet of living space and over a half an acre lot. Now let's step inside to show you what they have to offer. Now, first of all, to the right side of the property, you are gonna have an extended driveway fitting about 8 cars, and you are gonna have a 3-car garage that I do wanna show you. Let's take a look. As we walk to the garage, you can see that the elevation is gonna be made out of wood board and brick, as well as having some gutters included, and you are gonna have this beautiful garden here to add to that curb appeal. You are gonna have access to the backyard with that double gate, and here you can find your 3-car garage. You're gonna have 2 here, and this section off can fit another one. You are gonna have a rainbird sprinkler system that already comes included with the house, as well as blinds, which is an addition. Now, usually you see the water heaters inside the garages, but here with MI Homes, they provide them on the outside. And it is gonna be a tankless water heater, providing you with infinite hot water. This is gonna be your front covered porch. As you can see, you are gonna have French gutters helping it with that draining when it rains. A front covered porch here, perfect for some chairs if you like enjoying coffee in the morning. Now they also went ahead and added some lighting here just to provide a bit of character to your house when night comes. Now stepping aside, you are gonna have this door and gonna be in this foyer, which is actually pretty wide. Right next to the entrance, you're gonna have your stairs. Now, not only does it come with 5 bedrooms, but it also comes with a work from home office, which is gonna have these French doors made out of glass. Step inside, as you can see, pretty spacious, no carpet, and it is gonna have a window to your front yard. Over to this side of the house, next to that home office, is gonna be your first bedroom. You are gonna have 2 bedrooms downstairs, 3 upstairs. This is gonna be your first one downstairs with French doors accessing your closet. Now, next to that bedroom, you will have a full bathroom, which is super convenient. As you can see, granite countertop with a single sink, tub shower combo with stone tile on the back, extra closet space here. Now, coming along the foyer, before we get to the living area and kitchen, you actually are gonna have a half bath under the stairs, perfect for the guest. And this is just gonna be some extra closet spaces. And then on this side, you will have even more space. As we step into the living area, as you can see, you're gonna have 20-foot high ceilings. You will have a gas log fireplace with this stone tile along the back. You're gonna have 4 glass pane windows letting in some natural light with blinds on these bottom ones. Access to your backyard, which we will take a look at in a bit. This is gonna be your little breakfast area right next to your stunning kitchen, which is actually gonna have this very unique island that has tons of bar stool space because it actually wraps around basically the whole island. Your island is gonna be made out of quartz, as well as your countertops. You are gonna have this very big cabinets, as you can see, with a kind of weathered down cream white color. And it will come with stainless steel appliances. So you have double ovens, a microwave, and a dishwasher right here. You're gonna have a water softener system, a tub style sink there, and you actually have a garbage cabinet. Over here, you have your 5-burner stove. Now your extractor is actually about to be installed once we leave this property, so that's why it's not there yet. Over here in this nook is where you actually have your garage. Now you may be wondering where your pantry is. It's actually gonna be located off to the side here, and it's gonna be a pretty nice size with giving you some shelving. Right across from that is gonna be your utility room. You can see your washer and dryer connections there, some extra counter space and cabinets as well, and another glass pane window letting in some of that natural light. Now, as we leave the kitchen, over here in this corner is gonna be your primary bedroom, which is actually gonna have no carpet, as well as bay windows with a view to your half an acre lot. Now, over here to the corner, behind these double French doors is gonna be your primary bathroom. What stands out to me is this massive soak-in tub with this marble tile that actually comes up from the floor onto this and into your all glass walk-in shower. Now this primary bathroom actually has dual sinks. This is gonna be hers, and you can see pretty large mirror with some natural light coming in. And here is where you're gonna find his sink. As you can see, pretty similar, but that one actually has a bit more cabinet space. Now, like I mentioned, this marble tile comes along into your all glass shower, which is actually gonna have a sitting area here, as well as some shelving for your shampoo and conditioner. And at the very end is where you're gonna find a massive oversized closet You have some shelving here, perfect for your accessories like your shoes, watches, cologne, jewelry, and then hanging space all around the back, as well as some pre-wiring for your security and internet. And then right next to that is your private toilet. Nothing special there. That is it for the first floor. Let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. So coming up the stairs, you are met with your first piece of carpet, which is gonna be found throughout the second floor. Now, once you come up the stairs to your right, is gonna be your second living area, which you can see it's gonna have a ceiling fan with tray ceilings, 2 windows, and access to your attic. Now this space is pretty big, which is perfect for your kids. Now off to this side, you are gonna have another full bathroom with that stone tile along the tub shower combo and a single sink. And next to that is gonna be another bedroom. This is gonna be your third bedroom, overviewing your backyard. And here's gonna be its closet. Pretty spacious bedroom considering it is an extra, not your primary. Along the bridge, you can see you have views to your whole first floor. You have views to your living area, your kitchen, and your breakfast area, all from up here, which is an added convenience for those families that like to keep in touch even within the house. This is gonna be your fourth bedroom. Again, pretty spacious. This one's gonna have a window to your driveway and a closet there. And to the right of that is gonna be a bathroom. Before we get to the bathroom, you actually have kind of like a second pantry up here. And this is gonna be the bathroom. A single sink, however, you do have lots of counter space here with a large mirror, tons of cabinet space, and a tub shower combo with this glass pane window letting in some natural light, which I think is unique. Now, last but not least is gonna be this fifth bedroom. Again, pretty good size considering it is not the primary. And this one's gonna have 2 windows viewing your front yard with those blinds included that I mentioned. All right, that was all the interior of the house. Now let's check out this half acre that you're getting with the property. So first of all, once you step out, you are gonna have wood boarding on this side of the property, as well as your covered patio, which does come with some added features like your gas line if you wanna go ahead and add a grill out here, and water pipes already pre-wired if you wanna add an outdoor sink. You are gonna have access to this gate, your AC system, and this property doesn't end here. It actually wraps around all the way to the right side. As you can see, it's tons of space and you are in a corner lot. So you only have neighbors behind you and to your left, not to your right, which is actually one of the roads. Now, as you can see, this lot size is very big. I can imagine lots of pets playing here. If you like animals, if you have teenagers who like playing outdoor sports, this is perfect for them. You may be wondering what you need in order to secure a house like this. In terms of down payment, you only need a little bit above $23,000 to secure this beautiful property. If this is something you'd be interested in, you can go ahead and find my contact here as well as in the description. Feel free to give me a call and I'll guide you through the next steps. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.